हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू BFC अकॅडमी. आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण बघणार आहोत 10th क्लास इंग्लिश लेसन नंबर 3.4 लेट्स मार्च. या लेसनचा वॉर्मिंग अप, चिट चॅट अँड मार्जिन क्वेश्चन्स. त्यासाठी व्हिडिओला लास्ट पर्यंत नक्कीच पहा आणि तुम्ही जर चॅनलला सबस्क्राइब केलेलं नसेल तर सबस्क्राइब करा. सोबतच बाजूची बेल आयकॉन प्रेस करून ऑल नोटिफिकेशन ओके करून द्या. So let's start the video. Warming up, chit chat. Discuss in your group. तुमच्या गटात चर्चा करा. इथे आपल्याला हे क्वेश्चन सोडवण्यासाठी तुमच्या टेक्स्ट बुक्स मध्ये काही इमेज दिले आहेत. त्या इमेज वरनं या प्रश्नांची उत्तरे तुम्हाला लिहायची आहे. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, व्हॉट डिफरन्स डिड यू नोटिस इन द टू इमेजेस? दोन्ही चित्रांमध्ये तुम्हाला कोणता फरक दिसला? आन्सर, द बॉय इन द फर्स्ट पिक्चर इज वर्किंग अँड द बॉय इन द सेकंड पिक्चर इज गोइंग टू स्कूल ऑन हिज बायसिकल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, which of the two situation should change? दोन्ही परिस्थितींपैकी कोणती परिस्थिती बदलली पाहिजे? आन्सर, the situation in first picture should change. Question number 3, how and when can the situation be changed? परिस्थिती कशी आणि केव्हा बदलली जाऊ शकते? Answer, the situation will change only when each and every child start going to school. There should not be a need for the child to work and earn money. Question number 4, how can you as a student contribute and help make a difference to the needy child? तुम्ही एक विद्यार्थी म्हणून गरजू मुलांना कसे योगदान देऊन त्यांची परिस्थिती बदल घडवण्यास मदत करू शकता? Answer, as a student, I have given some of my clothes, books, toys to the needy childs and share food with them so that they doesn't have to work fulfill their needs. आता आपण पाहूया काही इमॅजिनरी क्वेश्चन्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, a good well organized speech contain the following characteristics and step. एका चांगल्या स्पीचची वैशिष्ट्ये आणि स्टेप आपल्याला इथे दिले आहे. A speech should be well planned. The language used be suitable to the advice. It should have the right duration. It should be supported with good example, episode or visual aids where possible. Question number first, B. Read the expression given below and insert them in your notebook is the proper boxes as shown below. इथे आपल्याला काही वाक्य दिले आहे. ते वाक्य स्पीचच्या कोणत्या प्रकारात किंवा भागात येतील हे ओळखून तुम्हाला तुमच्या नोटबुक मध्ये बॉक्स करून लिहायचे आहे. इथे आपल्याला 4 बॉक्स दिले आहे. फर्स्ट बॉक्स, ग्रीटिंग सॅल्युटेशन म्हणजेच अभिवादन, इंट्रोडक्शन म्हणजेच ओळख, बॉडी ऑफ स्पीच म्हणजे स्पीचचा महत्त्वाचा भाग अँड कॉन्क्लुजन म्हणजे समारोप. तर पाहूया ती वाक्य. A. Imagine what will happen after 10 years. Answer, introduction. B. I would like to with you an example of my own experience. Answer, body of speech. C. Honorable chief guest, eminent dignitary, respect management and staff, student, friend. Answer, greeting solution. D. Their research report say that. Answer, body of speech. E. I don't understand why we are so negative about this issue. Answer, body of speech. F. Think again and they move forward. Answer, conclusion. G. Today I would like to put forth my view on. Answer, introduction. H. The renowned personality XYZ say. Answer, body of speech. I. Good morning on and all present today. Answer, greeting solution. J. I would like to express my gratitude towards the organizer of this function for giving me opportunity. Answer, conclusion. K. If we think about the situation around us, we notice that. Answer, introduction. L. Let me explain this to you. Answer, introduction. आता आपण पाहूया margin question. Question number first. What does the speaker feel harnessed to recite? Answer, the speaker feel harnessed to recite a mantra from the ancient text of wisdom, that's the Veda. Question number 2. Who does the speaker describe her journey from India to Norway? Answer, he described his journey from India to Norway as a concept between the two centers to global peace and brotherhood, ancient and modern. Question number 3. What terrible thing was the Sudanese child forced to do? Answer, the Sudanese child was forced to kill his friends and family. Question number 4. What does Satyarthi refuse to accept? Answer, Satyarthi refused to accept that the world is very poor because he claimed that just 1 week global military expenditure is enough to bring all the child to the classroom. Question number 5. What is the only aim in life from Kailash Satyarthi? Answer, Kailash Satyarthi's only aim is life is to ensure that every child is free to be a child, to grow and develop, to eat, sleep, laugh, cry, play, learn, to go to the school and to dream. Question number 6. What are the signs of progress that the speaker mentioned? Answer, the number of out of school children is reduced by half. The number of child labor is reduced by 1/3. We have reduced children mortality and malnutrition. Have prevented millions of child death in the last couple of decades. Are the sign of progress that the speaker mentioned. Question number 7. What special role are the three daughters playing? Answer, the three daughters, namely Malala, Kainat and Shehnaz, are rising up, are choosing peace over violence, tolerance over extremism and cover over fear. Question number 8. What lesson does the story of the lion and the teeny bird teach us? Answer, the story of lion and the teeny bird teach us that no matter who small our contribution, but we must keep doing outbeats. As question number 9. What did millions of individuals demand 8 years ago? Answer, 8 years ago millions of individuals demand a new international law for the abolition of the world's form of child labor. Question number 10. What problems do the poor children face? Answer, poor children are forced to work for their living. They often do not get enough food to eat and die to malnutrition. If they do not have parents, they become orphanage. They do not get education. They are often neglected and exploited. Question number 11. Why do the 8-year-old girls question shake Mr. Satyarthi? Answer. The 8-year-old girl questioned Sheikh Mr. Satyarthi because he had no answer, no convincing explanation to give the girls. Question number 12. What matters according to Satyarthi? Answer. According to Satyarthi, every single minutes, every single child and every single childhoods matter. Question number 13. What does Satyarthi challenge? Answer. Satyarthi challenge the passivity and promises surrounding the children's culture of silence and neutrality. Question number 14. What was Mr. Satyarthi's vision as a child? Answer. When Mr. Satyarthi was a child, he used to see clobber boy of his own age sitting outside the school. When he asked his teacher why he was not sitting in the classroom, they had no answer. The boy's father answered that they were born to work. Mr. Satyarthi's vision as a child was to see the cobbler boy sitting with him in his classroom. Number 15. What was the response of the boy's father? What was Satyarthi's reason to it? Answer. The boy's father explained that they were born to work. He made Satyarthi feel angry. Question number 16. What is your vision of tomorrow? Answer. In my vision of the future, every child who is born should be entitled to education. Question number 17. What rights should every child have in out times? Answer. In out times, every child should have right to life, right to freedom, right to health, right to education, right to safety, right to dignity, right to equality, and right to peace. 8. What does Mr. Satyarthi's request the listener to do? Answer. Mr. Satyarthi's request the listener to put their hands close to her hearts, close their eyes, and feel the children inside them. Question number 19. According to Mr. Satyarthi, who are calling for us? Answer. According to Mr. Satyarthi, thousands of Mahatma Gandhi, Nelson Mandela, and Martin Luther King are calling for us. मित्रांनो, लेट्स मार्च या लेसनचा वॉर्मिंग अप, चिट चॅट अँड मार्जिन क्वेश्चन्स आपण या व्हिडिओमध्ये पाहिले. परत भेटूया पुढच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये. हा व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला कसा वाटला कमेंट्स बॉक्समध्ये नक्की कळवा. व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर व्हिडिओला लाईक करा आणि जास्तीत जास्त विद्यार्थी मित्रांपर्यंत शेअर करा. आणि असेच इंग्लिशचे नवीन नवीन व्हिडिओ पाहण्यासाठी आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राइब करा. सोबतच बाजूची बेल आयकॉन प्रेस करून ऑल नोटिफिकेशन ओके करून द्या. थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस व्हिडिओ फ्रेंड्स.